Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can change color theme on your ChatGPT. So once you have logged into your ChatGPT and then go to the top right corner and then click on your profile icon. Now go to settings. After that go to the theme and then click on system, and then here you will see dark, light. Suppose you want to make your theme light, just click on light, then your ChatGPT theme will be light color. Now if you want to go back to dark mode, then go to the profile and then click on settings. After that again go to light and then switch to dark, and that's it. This is how you can switch to dark to light. Hope that this video help you out. Thanks for watching.